staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel, where we'll be discussing the best foods for promoting health and longevity. If you're in your 30s, we recommend incorporating these foods into your diet at least 2 to 3 times a week. For those of you in your 40s or older, it's important to make these foods a part of your daily meal routine to maintain your health and youthful vitality. We often realize the value of something only after time has passed. Don't miss out on this short video, as the information we're sharing about these foods could be the most valuable investment you make in your health. So, let's dive in and explore the best foods to promote health and longevity. As Hippocrates said, "A disease that cannot be cured by food cannot be cured by a doctor." So, from today onwards, I'm going to introduce you to foods that can help restore your health and promote longevity. The first food on our list is the Greek salad. Greek salads are typically made with fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, which are nutrient-rich and packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 1 English cucumber. Cucumbers are packed with benefits like hydration, weight loss, digestion regulation, antioxidants, and even skin and bone health. Cucumbers can also help regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, aid in detoxification, and promote heart health. A thinly sliced red onion. Onions offer numerous health benefits, such as regulating blood sugar, reducing inflammation and cholesterol levels, and improving cardiovascular health and immunity. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Tomatoes have a wide range of health benefits, including being rich in antioxidants, supporting heart health, promoting healthy digestion, helping control blood sugar, and maintaining healthy skin. Crumbled feta cheese. Feta cheese is a good source of protein, calcium, and phosphorus, low in calories and fat, contains probiotics that aid in digestion and promote gut health, and boost the immune system. Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives offer numerous health benefits, such as antioxidants, heart health, anti-inflammatory properties, bone health, digestive health, vitamin E, and iron. Let's make that dressing. Garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and potentially anti-cancer properties, may help improve heart health, digestion, immune function, and regulate blood sugar. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add red wine vinegar. Add in a little bit of lemon zest. Lemon juice 2 or 3 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano. Oregano has potential health benefits, including antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory effects, antioxidants, digestive and respiratory health, blood sugar control, and potential cancer-fighting properties. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Thyme has a long history of use as a natural remedy for respiratory, digestive, and heart issues, and may have antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Freshly ground black pepper. Once your Greek salad is ready, you can enjoy it as a side dish or as a light meal on its own. If you are either normal or overweight, it is recommended that you have a light dinner consisting of a Greek salad. If you are underweight, you can add some protein to the salad to make it a more balanced meal. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.